This is an abstract acrylic fluid pour you don't want to miss. Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Today I wanted to show you this beautiful painting. Now I know I always say this beautiful painting because I do love my paintings and I wouldn't be showing them to you if I didn't love them. Now this painting is a 40-inch by 40-inch on canvas and it is a commission. It's for a lovely young woman who has just started off in her new career, and she's given me the privilege to create something for her home, and I hope that she loves it as much as I do. I've got commentary throughout the video, so keep watching. So this is the canvas. It's gallery wrapped. It's 40 inches by 40 inches, 101 centimeters squared. So wish me luck. I sing next. It had to be you, it had to be you. I wandered around and finally found a somebody who could make me be true, could make me be blue, and even be sad just to be glad, thinking of you. I must say that I was intimidated by the size of this canvas. I have worked on large canvases before, so I wasn't sure quite what was happening and why the intimidation by this. But it could be that, when there is such a large canvas, I worry about the amount of paint I have, and you can always whip up some more, but you don't want to do that when you're in the middle of a painting. So anyway, it worked out and I'm very happy that it did. I wanted to mention too that I learned it the hard way about keeping that cord of the hairdryer out of the way. You make sure that you're holding on to it and it's high above the canvas, because I've ruined some beautiful parts of a painting just because it went down too low and made a little bit of a scratch in the paint, and you don't want that to happen, so keep it up high. As always, I'm keeping the hairdryer on a cool setting. I've had this hairdryer for many years and it works perfectly still. I do try and clean it sometimes in between when I've gotten it really covered in paint, and it still works wonderfully. I love the nozzle, and I do have a link to my Amazon shop in case you're interested in this particular model. Also check out my description area. It has so many other important information there as well for you. So as I'm blowing, I'm really taking my time and working towards the vision that I have in my head for this painting. As this was a commission, the client had shown me an image of mine that she loved. And so that's the vision that I had in my head, that particular one. Now, I never try and duplicate it. I try and get the feel of my paintings. So the client always gets original art. So here's the painting from my side, and oh, I am loving what I see. Beautiful, beautiful details. The paint kind of broke up there a little bit, so it's creating these beautiful kind of holes, cells, and look at that. Beautiful. I'm gonna let this dry. Hopefully it'll only take a couple of days, and then I will show you hopefully in daylight what this looks like dry. So that'll take you just 1 second. And here is the painting outside. I really love this painting. It is so beautiful. It came out so gorgeous. I love it oriented this way with these kind of bubbles coming this way, going through the middle, and then out the other side. It is beautiful. It is one of my all-time favorites, I would say, for fluid pours. It is beautiful. Love the gold, white, blue combination. It is so classic, and it looks so beautiful. Click on the link you see now to see more of my fluid pours. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts and Pours. The link is in the description area below.